What's up, guys? Welcome to day 2 of the vlogs. Yeah, vlog number 2. Vlog number 1 is just uploaded. It's Friday, and as you guys can see, I gotta go to work. I am not happy about that at all. But I have a lot of stuff planned for you guys today. Yeah, right now, gotta go to work. Oh, just burn the fuck outside. Okay, let me just say something. This can of fucking Sprite has been last like a week. Jesus. My mom's taking me to work and she just got here. Let's see. She's not happy because I was supposed to be up at, but what time was I supposed to be up at?
Who are you talking
To the camera, Mom.
I did not approve to be on.
Used to do the same thing.
I don't care because I'm not.
Okay, you just fucking.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Easy, cowboy. Pick your lanes,
That was funny as hell. Get clear! Young, dumb, broke, Punisher kids. We're going to drive-thru or what? The fuck? Why?
Asking, or do you want to go in?
We can go in. Unless you're in a rush. To go nowhere.
You gonna run?
Not really.
Where are we going? We're not going after all?
We are. What? We're all going, right?
Okay. I don't mind.
What's a race? Go racing. What happened to your wiper though, bro? I should just snap. Snap like that little bat. I'll clean it up, I said.
There is not last night's for everything.
I am booze. Hold on.
No way.
Don't do that. It's mine.
I'm stressed out. You do know. Stop looking at her like that, you fucking weirdo.
Can we meet at Andrew's apartment? Sure. Let's go.
Just park over here.
Roll
Take
out.
change.
I can meet, like, change it is.
Hey.
Angelo!
Hey. I like to think that's good park away. We're not even in traffic yet. Put that away.
You stress me.
You fucking stress me out.
Who's he calling?
What?
Hey, who's he calling?
Huh?
He's not calling anybody.
I'm listening to a voicemail.
Who the fuck is voice?
Me, apparently.
To your phone?
No, off my ass, right? Where else would I get them at? Stupid.
Bro, bitch, shut up.
Do it. I really have to pee, so yeah. Be getting a double whammy.
Of course you gotta pee. You always gotta
Bitch, can I hold it? I'm pretty sure I can hold it.
Yeah.
Wait, can you hold it?
I can hold it.
That's a question for yourself, I think.
Always have to pee, huh?
I've done Kegel exercises, so I know how to get it.
Right.
You know how to get in.
I know how to, like, hold it in.
What's up, mama?
That's a girl.
That's a guy.
That's a woman.
Oh. I thought you were talking to the guy.
Hey, mom.
Right.
When you not talk to the guy.
No. Not again.
How long, Smithy?
Stop!
How long?
You nasty stop! I have no idea where your hands have been.
Oh, they've been
Orochi give you that shirt? Is that a karate move on the back of your shirt? Hiya!
Gang, vlog footy. Whoa, there's offices up here?
Yeah, be like, on his fucking face. Yeah, flipped over.
Dude.
That's why I had something on my shoe. Yeah, they got it's from Sweden, so they got like Sweden candy, Swedish candy.
What are you gonna do? Why? You're so angry.
Guys, don't be angry. This is a happy
Fucking
place.
stupid.
Why?
They got a car. And we're not gonna buy it.
You don't know that. What is he gonna get something for his room?
No, the one.
Oh
Come
man.
on now. Cart's up here.
Nah, I'm fine.
It's fine.
Just sit. Come on.
I'll send this one.
Fine, I'll sit in that one too.
Which one do you like? Which color? Which palette?
My one at home.
Which one do you like?
You like the green? It compliments you. Or the blue? Are you so?
What's wrong, right?
This is not really that great.
You don't like that? You don't like that one?
Die.
Don't like stuff. Because I won't be there.
CD? What? It's for the CD? D. This could be for the patio.
It's for the patio.
It's for the patio.
See, you love it.
Oh look, there's all the couches. We can pick from there. Come on.
Unless you want to sit
I'll
on
be
that.
there in a minute.
Come on,
I'm not
Devontae.
fucking a toy store.
I thought it was like $13.99.
It's the pillow.
Yeah, I know. I'm really upset now.
I like this one.
What's it like?
Where are they from?
Ireland.
It's not Ireland.
Yeah, you. This is hot.
We're not gonna buy the cardboard.
Honestly, we just modeled their house out.
Pretend
He's coming home. He's saying what he doesn't like because he didn't get picked because he wasn't at home.
That's too
with
bad.
us.
He's
He's busy. Yeah,
Too bad.
he doesn't get a pick. You snooze, you lose. Snooze, you poos.
Or you lose, whatever.
Fuck you guys. I'm just telling you that I got kicked by a cow.
You said this was too small, you know what I mean?
Right, what are you doing?
This toilet's too small.
You can't
This
fit.
is not right. This is not right. Try it out. Tell
Oh, I thought you had like a little turd of like
Tell me if
Italian.
that fits your bubble.
Not like his bubble, like his blue cheeks.
Tell me if that fits.
Okay, yeah.
See, you feel too cramped, don't you?
Pretend you Texas.
I have a text. Yeah.
Look at the lamp too.
That's how we wake you up.
Wake up.
It's not my bed. It's D'Angelo's bed.
Why the fuck is that gonna be my bed? The bug.
Ryan, this is your bed.
He's reading.
Books
The book's upside down, but he's reading.
No words in it.
You.
Stevie Wonder. What else you do?
Ryan, you can keep all your like stuff there.
Yeah, no.
What?
His stuff. His tools.
Oh, it's
What's that?
What were you guys doing? Did I give you permission to leave that fucking late?
People are looking at us.
I don't give a fuck. I am your fucking father and you're gonna fucking obey me. Dumb bitch.
fuck you, you fat bitch. 232 pounder big.
Shut up.
223.
32, I think.
There's a lot of those people in here.
There sure is, man.
What?
They're probably Warriors fans too.
Just add that in there so they know.
It's product name and article number. 49.
I can see you like here, like eating a fucking cereal.
Oh, here. Just yelling.
Yeah. Pass me the milk, you dumb bitch.
Not that milk. I'm lactose intolerant.
I want the low fat milk. You know, trying to lose weight.
I think he's actually debating if he's gonna come up with it. Like he's considering it. We can get that one for you.
I'm black, I get dirty, remember?
You gonna climb it, right?
He's all like opening the door. Just leaving it like open.
Now we go all the way back in there. What are you doing? Okay, we go back in there, go get him.
Am I being filmed?
Not you.
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, okay.
Doing it on purpose.
Come
Don't
on,
do it.
man. Are we out here?
I'm not good with us.
No.
Yes,
No,
you do.
no.
Yes, you're part of the experience.
Oh no.
That's fucked up. Give his fucking keys, Devontae. You're gonna make him walk through that whole thing? I gave them to you.
No, you didn't.
Oh my god. Go get him. You're gonna make him walk the whole thing? That's so fucked up.
Let's see if he's gonna do it or not.
Call him. He's walking through there. They call him. We're about to see him forever.
What an idiot! We had nothing to do, Adrian. Chill out. Nothing to do.
Well, now we're not gonna be able to get you your Vans.
I'll go tomorrow.
You really want him to be upset?
It's gonna be worth it, though. He's gonna walk all through the whole thing. And we're gonna be in the car and be like, bro, what are you doing? The kid's right here. You know what? I'm a little chilly, so I'm getting it right now.
All this.
I didn't take them. They fell out of your pocket. Adrian found them for you. You're lucky.
Right.
Adrian, tell me what the fuck.
I did, Ryan. I really did find
Too
them.
bad.
Where the fuck did Angelo go?
Oh, no, okay.
Get it, just go.
What's going on, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry it was so short. Didn't record too much today. But be on the lookout for vlog number 3, which I'm going to be recording tomorrow, and be uploading on Saturday. So be on the lookout for that. If you guys did enjoy the video, please be sure to like and subscribe. Peace.